5. Listen, read. Then read the sentences and say yes or no.
In our theatre group, we use different materials to make our costumes, props, and sets. We use materials with different properties. Some materials are flexible and light. Some materials are rigid and strong. It's important to use materials that are safe. We make masks with papier-mâché. It's flexible and light because it's made of paper, glue, and water. You can paint the masks and decorate them with lots of different things. Today, we're making Greek masks. Theatre was very important in ancient Greece. Most cities had a theatre, and people went there to watch comedies, funny shows, or tragedies, sad or serious shows. The actors used masks to show different emotions more clearly. Some masks were double-sided, which means they could have one face on one side and a different one on the other side. Let's make happy and sad double-sided masks.